Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Cinematography. It's a great element and tool to use when you have nothing else to do and you want to continue to perfect your cinematic element. Take your camera, your Bolex, and walk around. You can either just look through the lens, you can film all the way around, whatever you want to do, with or without talent, with an object, a still life, if you will, and develop and hone your cinematic skills. You can also relate back to the days when you were watching your favorite horror films, your favorite experimental horror films, and the directors that inspired you. This is how you can spend a lot of time. You get this done now, and you won't have to spend so much time on the set. You want to get this worked out beforehand with the script, with each scene. Alright? Hope this helps. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel, the Morbid Team Entertainment Barter Buy and Sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.